If you've never made or tasted a truly authentic India chicken curry, here is your sign. This recipe is simple, flavorful, and absolutely perfect for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to Aditya's Kitchen. Today I am making one of my favorite Indian dishes, Indian chicken curry. It is easy, comfy, and packed with rich, warm spices. First, let's marinate the chicken. I'm using one whole chicken, but I removed the breast. To season, add 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon cooking oil of your choice, 2 tablespoons yogurt. Massage everything into the chicken and let it marinate for at least 30 minutes or longer for deeper flavor. Step 2 is to prepare the curry paste. While the chicken is marinating, let's blend 1 large tomatoes, 1 large onion, 4 cloves garlic, 1 medium ginger. Blend it into paste and set it aside. Slice half of a large onions and set it aside. Step 3 is to prep the potatoes. For me, it's not really Indian curry without potatoes, but feel free to skip them if you prefer. Peel and dice the potatoes into large chunks. All ingredients will be written in the description box of this video. In a pot, add 1 or 4 cups cooking oil, the chopped onions, 4 bay leaves, 5 cloves, 5 cardamom pods. Stir and let them release their aroma. Then add 2 small cinnamon sticks. Cook until the onions are slightly golden. Add the ground spices, 1 teaspoon coriander, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Cook for 1 minute to bloom the spices. Now add the blended paste. Stir it together properly. Then go ahead and add about 2 to 3 green chili peppers. Stir it together. Then cook for about 3 to 5 minutes until the oil starts to separate. Now add the marinated chicken and stir it together properly. Now add a little water, about 1 or 4 cups. Stir it together properly. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Cover it and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now uncover it. As you can see, the oil is starting to separate itself gradually. That is to let you know that the chicken is halfway cooked. Then stir it together properly. Now add the potatoes and also 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala. I keep the Garam Masala light because Garam Masala is a very strong spice and too much of it can overshadow the chicken. So be very mindful with it. Stir everything together properly, cover the pot and let it cook until the potatoes become soft and tender. Make sure to stir occasionally to prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of the pot. Our chicken curry is now almost ready. As you can see, the oils are completely separated. That shows that the chicken is well cooked and tender, and the potatoes are very much tender as well. So now reduce the heat to the lowest settings. Then go ahead and add a little more plain yogurt to thicken the sauce and give it that delicious tangy taste. Please note that we are only using plain yogurt in this recipe. Add fresh cilantro and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. And that is it, guys. Our authentic Indian chicken curry is ready. Rich, flavorful and perfect with rice or naan. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, share and leave me a comment. See you in my next video. Bon appetit. Bye.